Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to replace your broken power seat drive cable ends with new 3D printed replacement pieces. Early to mid-70s cable ends came in a couple different materials. Usually, they don't hold up very well to time or any kind of seat maintenance. You will first need to remove the broken cable clip. This can be done using a cutter, small pliers, and a utility knife. Remove all the material up to the cable jacket by cutting and prying off the pieces. You will be leaving the part of the existing clip that's recessed inside the cable jacket. This is necessary so the cable cannot slip through. Next, score any clip material that extends from the jacket with a utility knife and snap off the remaining material. Your cable end should look like this before proceeding. The new replacement plastic pieces were designed to be 3D printed. In the past, I have used ABS and CPE plastic, but the lack of elasticity had me switch to a polypropylene. These have incredible flexibility and retain their shape even after stress is applied. To prepare the surface, thoroughly clean the cable jacket with some solvent and scuff the leading edge with some 400 grit sandpaper. You will only need to sand as far as the remaining collar is in the cable, about a ½ inch. Your cable should now look like this, with no shiny spots left where you've just sanded. The next step is to glue on your cable end. I found that goop or a good weather strip adhesive works well, and it will still allow for the new clips to be removed if ever needed. Apply the glue to the sanded portion, being careful not to go beyond the cable jacket and onto the metal drive cable. Simply slip the replacement clip over the cable end and rotate until all of the sanded portion is covered by the new clip. Wipe off any excess adhesive and allow time for setup. Follow the manufacturer's directions for setup time according to the adhesive that you're using. After setup time is complete, install the cable on the actuator. This begins by inserting the square drive cable end into the actuator. Once inserted, you will need to compress the thick portion of the oval clip ring in order to slip it over the flared end of the actuator. You will need to rotate the clip end so it is aligned vertically on the actuator. This is the tightest position for the cable. Removal is done by squeezing, rotating, and pulling off the clip. I'm also 3D printing the other side of the cable ends, the side that plugs into the transmission. Subscribe to the channel and receive notifications when that video is uploaded. All my power seat units are synced before shipping, and if you're replacing a cable, that's a great time to check your power units. There will soon be a video outlining that process as well. Please give us a like and stay tuned for more power seat track restoration videos. If you need replacement clips, please visit my website. The link is down in the description. Thank you for watching, and again, please subscribe.